How to draw the Italian flag, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to begin by drawing a line going from left to right towards the top center of the page. Once we are all done drawing this first line, we're going to want to go a little below and draw a second line that is the exact same length. Let's go ahead and connect these two lines on the right and left hand side by drawing a simple line going up and down. On the inside of the shape that we just drew that looks similar to a large rectangular square, we're going to add in two lines going up and down. This will help us separate the colors of the Italian flag. This is how to draw the Italian flag. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this a big like. Next, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.